The 2025 Samsung Galaxy S10 Tech Mobile stands as a remarkable blend of innovation, elegance, and power. Designed for modern users who demand the best in performance, style, and functionality, this device carries forward the legacy of the iconic S10 series while incorporating the most advanced technologies Samsung has developed over the years. Crafted in sleek metallic tones with a refined glass finish, the Galaxy S10 2025 version feels as luxurious as it looks. Its slim profile, perfectly curved edges, and lightweight construction ensure that it rests comfortably in the palm, offering both convenience and beauty in one seamless package. The front is dominated by a vibrant 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display that delivers exceptional clarity, brightness, and color accuracy. With a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels and support for HDR10+, every image, video, or game springs to life with astonishing detail. Whether you're watching high-definition content or scrolling through your favorite apps, the edge-to-edge Infinity O display offers an immersive experience that pulls you in with every glance. Beneath the beautiful screen lies a powerful heart. The Galaxy S10 2025 is powered by the latest Samsung Exynos 2500 processor, built on a 3nm architecture for maximum efficiency and performance. Coupled with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, this mobile delivers smooth multitasking, lightning-fast app launches, and efficient battery management. Storage is equally impressive with 256 GB of internal UFS 4.0 memory, ensuring apps and files open instantly, and there's ample space for everything you need. The mobile runs on the refined One UI 7.1 based on Android 14, which offers a clean, user-friendly experience enriched with customization options and smart features like gesture navigation, AI suggestions, and enhanced privacy settings. The UI responds fluidly to touch, adapting effortlessly to your preferences and making day-to-day tasks more intuitive than ever before. The camera system on the Galaxy S10 2025 has been completely revamped to meet the demands of professional and casual users alike. It features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 108-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The AI-powered camera software intelligently enhances every shot, adjusting exposure, color balance, and sharpness in real time. Whether you're capturing a stunning sunset, a busy cityscape, or a spontaneous selfie, the Galaxy S10 delivers crisp and vibrant images in all lighting conditions. The front-facing 32-megapixel camera is nestled subtly within the Infinity O display, offering stunning selfies, clear video calls, and superior low-light performance. The camera app includes features like single take, director's view, super steady video, and pro mode for users who want full control over their shots. Battery life is another strong point of the Galaxy S10 2025. With a 5000 mAh battery under the hood, users can easily go through an entire day of heavy usage without needing to recharge. Thanks to intelligent power optimization and adaptive battery settings, the device learns your usage patterns and minimizes background activity to preserve power. When it comes time to recharge, the device supports 65W fast wired charging and 45W wireless charging, ensuring your phone is ready to go in no time. The Galaxy S10 also features wireless PowerShare, allowing users to charge other devices like earbuds or smartwatches directly from the back of the phone. Samsung's new AI-based cooling system ensures the device stays cool under pressure, even during extended gaming or multitasking sessions. Security and privacy are cornerstones of the Galaxy S10 2025's design. It includes an upgraded ultrasonic fingerprint scanner embedded under the display that unlocks the device almost instantly with improved accuracy. Face recognition is also available and has been enhanced with better detection in low-light environments. Samsung Knox security platform